Welcome. If you've ever wanted to play Roblox in your preferred language, or maybe you're just looking to switch things up, today's guide is for you. I'll walk you through the latest way to change your display language on Roblox Web using your PC, following the newest update. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to the official Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings easily. Once you're in, look up to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This will open a menu. Just select Settings from the list. Now, you'll see several options on the left side of your screen. Click into Privacy and Content Restrictions. This is where you manage who can interact with you and how your content is handled. Next, go to Account Info. Here, you'll find all your personal account details, including your current language setting. Scroll down until you see the Language section. There's a drop-down menu here. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the languages Roblox currently supports. Pick the one you want, whether it's Spanish, French, German, or any other available option. Some languages might have an asterisk, which means they're not fully supported on every part of Roblox, but you can still select them if you like. After you choose your new language, Roblox will automatically reload the page. Once it's done, you'll notice that all the menus and buttons are now in your selected language. If you ever want to switch back, just follow these same steps and pick your preferred language again, and that's it. You've just changed your display language on Roblox Web with the latest update. Enjoy exploring Roblox in the language that feels right for you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials for tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Roblox experience. Thanks for watching.